Let's go over the steps you can take to avoid slip accidents. If you find a spill in the workplace, put out a sign to warn others, use a mop or cloth to clean the spill, and leave the sign in place until the floor is dry. If you must leave the spill area to get cleaning equipment, then find a coworker to monitor and warn others of the risk in the area until you return. Wear appropriate footwear. Choose sensible shoes for the task and type of environment you work in. For environments with increased risk of slipping, you can get specially designed non-slip footwear. Keep the floor clean and dry. Dry contaminants like dust can be cleaned up with a vacuum cleaner. Keep off smooth, wet floors. Very smooth floors that look shiny will be slippery when contaminated. If you see a maintenance or cleaning issue that could cause a slip, deal with it or report it. Remember your role in reducing slips, trips, and falls. See it, sort it, or report it.